Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 31st, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So on gold daily, I still think this wave A is possibly over, even though it's having a hard time making its way up on shorter time frames. Seems to me like we potentially should make a pretty decent move to the upside over the next week or so for like a wave B, and then potentially down again for a wave C to make a nice proper ABC pullback, potentially like a wave four on like the weekly time frame. So I am looking at this as likely going up for a wave B. Going down to the shorter time frames, the whole thing is that structure analysis, not Elliot wave analysis, but structure analysis is telling us that it is definitely still down on the 4 hour time frame and under. Until it actually breaks this high right here, we really can't confirm that the wave B is in. Now, we do have this breaker structure, so we do know that this wave from here to here is over, so we got our Fibonacci retracement on there. If we do get three waves up to a Fib level, which we did, and a nice engulfing move to the downside, which we kind of did, then we do have to realize that it could just keep on going down. Like I said, the daily time frame makes me think that it really is going to go up and it really is going to take out this high, so I would be a little bit cautious with assuming that it needs to go down, but it does look like it possibly could end up making another push to the downside. Definitely a very overlapping odd pattern, but because the wave two on the weekly was a traditional pullback, it makes sense that this wave four is going to be a very overlapping, very difficult pattern to get a read on. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.